In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock rows and columns in Smartsheet. Locking is a great way to protect structure and prevent accidental edits, especially when you're collaborating. To get started, sign in and head to the home page. This is your launchpad for everything you'll open or create. If you're starting fresh, choose Create to spin up a new sheet. You'll see a suggested section with ready-made templates. Pick one that fits your use case, or proceed with a blank sheet if you prefer. If you already have a sheet, no need to create anything, just continue to your existing work. Next, open all workspaces to find where your sheet lives. This view helps you see every workspace you have access to. Select the workspace you want, then open the specific sheet you'll be working in. Give it a second to load in grid view so you can clearly see column headers and row numbers. To lock a column, click the column header you want to protect, then right-click to open the context menu. Choose Lock Column. This keeps the column's data and structure safe from editors who shouldn't be making changes. Owners and admins can still edit, but collaborators with editor permissions will be restricted. You'll notice a subtle padlock indicator confirming it's locked. If you need to protect more than one column, repeat the same action on each column you want to secure. Now let's protect rows. Look to the far left of the grid next to the row numbers. You'll see a small lock icon. Click that lock icon next to the rows you want to secure. This is especially handy for finalized entries, key headers, or formulas you don't want people to overwrite. Once locked, those rows are read only for editors, while owners and admins retain the ability to make updates. You can select multiple rows first, then use the lock to apply protection to all of them in one go. A few quick tips as you work. Locking is about collaboration control, not hiding. People can still see locked items, they just can't change them unless they have the right permissions. If you need to make an update later, simply right-click the lock column and choose Unlock, or click the Rows Lock icon again to release it. Make sure you save your sheet so the lock settings are retained for everyone. That's it. Navigate to your sheet, lock the columns you need from the column header menu, and use the lock icon to secure important rows. With these protections in place, your data stays consistent and your team stays on track.